What's up, guys? It's Grant from Grant Harrison Outdoors. Today we're going to be doing the Dollar Store Fishing Challenge. We're walking in Dollar Tree right now. So I don't want to go straight to the candy aisle. I might end up getting candy, but I probably won't. Because like everybody would use gummy worms and stuff. So I want to go something different than that. I think down here, maybe I might get candy. Excuse me.
Sorry.
You're fine. They don't really have much. I might have to end up getting candy. Okay, yeah, this is the aisle I was looking for. Sorry. I think I'm gonna get corn. That's probably a good thing to get, corn, like canned corn. Oh, I wonder if they have like those Vienna sausages. I feel like those would work over here. Oh, they do have them. Let's go. They don't have, yeah. Let's grab some of these. There's corn. Oh, and I have a budget of $5. I didn't say that. So I got 2 things. I think I'm gonna go for 3 more. 2 or 3. Trying to think of something else to get. I'll get back with you when I find something. I found one thing. I found sardines.
I wouldn't get the ones in the mustard.
I know.
They're up on the top.
Where? Oh, there.
What's the orange one say?
That's hot sauce.
The orange one says hot sauce.
Yeah, these are regular ones. Hot mustard. Mustard.
There you go.
Let's get some sardines. All right, one more thing. And I think I know what I'm gonna get. I know I said I wasn't gonna go to the candy aisle, but I'm going to. I'm dropping everything. Hold on, hold this. Are you recording? Okay. So, I think I'm gonna get some Swedish fish.
You just come right on through.
I'm gonna get some Swedish fish, because this could be like a little minnow imitation. I think that might work. And let's find something else. One more thing. Maybe over here. I could get like gummy worms.
Those are snakes.
I know, it's the same thing. It'll work.
I don't think a fish is going to want that.
Yeah, it will. Bass will. Alright, so we're gonna go to the checkout and I'll see you when we're fishing. Alright, so it's actually the next day. Let me go over what we got, in case you forgot. We got corn, sardines, the Vienna sausages, gummy worms, and Swedish fish. Now I want to keep at least one thing in this box because I just have hooks in there, so I don't want those to fly out. And you know, I probably should have taken this off. So let me do that. All right, well, I think I'm gonna start off with one of these little snake things, which they come like, there's 2 of them together, so I'm just gonna like rip them apart, then put them on the hook. I think I don't know. I think I'm just gonna stick it through the head and hope for the best. So let's just stick it through its head. Alright. We got the little hook on, or the little worm, I guess that's what you could call it. Let's set my pole. Wrong way. Set it to where it's light enough. If it can be light enough. There's just a little blow up over there. not sure if this is gonna work. Guess it's gonna have to. That doesn't work very well. My grandpa FaceTimed me. He was asking me about baseball yesterday. Chickens are out there freaking out. Hey, Dagan! Okay! You're deaf. My neighbor's riding her bike, I guess. Oh, I might grab something right here. Something blew up as I was casting on top of it. I think I spooked it. This is hard to cast. It's super light, so it's really hard to cast. The fish are starting to come out. I'm starting to get used to casting it. Let's cast it where we caught those 2 bass the other day. And maybe one of them will be hungry. It just looks like a little worm going through the water. Like there's nothing special about it. Okay, so I'm gonna tell a story. Story time. The other day when I was trying to upload the video, I use iMovie to edit, and iMovie thought that YouTube's limit on videos was 15 minutes, but it wasn't, and it said that I couldn't upload it because it was 15 minutes long, so I looked up how to upload it, and it said you had to have an activated account, so I went to my account. It was activated, and so when I tried to upload it, iMovie wouldn't let me. So I had to, I was trying to use Google Photos to upload it. I was using Google Drive. I was doing everything I could to try to upload it. Then I was like, wait, when you're on your phone, there's that little camera in the corner on YouTube. And I clicked on it, and it let me upload the video. So that's the only reason that I was able to upload a video. There are a bunch of fish out here today. They're all coming out. My neighbor's deaf. Not really though. I just think she is because I was screaming because she was riding down my driveway. Alright, this isn't working very well. I think I'm gonna put on something else. I think I'm gonna try the corn. Yeah. I'm gonna try the corn. So I'll be back when I tie that on. I didn't realize I had to have a can opener to open this. So I'm not gonna use this right now. I'm gonna use the Vienna sausages. Alright, I'll be back when I got it tied on. I just cut off a little piece and just threw it on. So I'm just gonna toss it in here and see how this works out. I'm just gonna let it sit there. I'm gonna try one of these. I wonder what these taste like. I'm gonna taste one. It's actually not bad. That's good. I'm gonna eat another one. When you're hungry, you'll eat anything. No, I will not eat the sardines. I've tasted those before. Someone hitting my line. No, it's not. I'll get back with you guys when I catch something. All right, I left one for bait. I ate the rest of them. We got this one right here. Just gonna sit that right there. And then there's all this juice in there, so I'm just gonna dump it around there to try to like chum the water kinda, I guess, and see if that'll make the fish smell it, and then maybe they'll want to eat it. So now we wait. I wonder if these are any good. I would highly doubt that these are good. They are like rubber. These things feel like rubber, like a straight piece of rubber. I'll be back when I catch something. I don't think my chumming the water is gonna work, because I've been standing here for 10 minutes. Still not doing anything. Something's right next to it. I don't know what it is, but something's right next to it. Shut up, birds. I see the little waves, like, don't wreck. About wrecks. The waves are like coming in. You can see them, like a fish is right there. So I'm not sure. I'll get back. I'm about to grab something. Something had it. Something had it. Something was chewing on the line. Oh, something's grabbing it. I'm gonna get a slurp on something. Oh, it took it. It took it. I'm glad I didn't eat all of those. I'm super glad I didn't eat all those. I got one left. It was right there, and it was just pulling on the line. So, let's see if we can catch it. I was getting bites. Tell me in the comments below if you like these videos, the challenge videos like the MTB slams, the dollar store challenge, which I'm doing right now. The way I'm just throwing it out there, I'm just tossing it and grabbing some line, just tossing it out there. Right back where it was. I'll be back if we catch something. Oh, something had that. In its mouth, something had that. Let's see if we can catch that. Something had it in its mouth. It was pulling the line. Something's grabbing it. I need to be a little bit more patient. Because it's grabbing it and then I'm like trying to set the hook right then. Got one! Let's go! Oh, that's a nice little bluegill. He's a nice little girl. Is that a boy or girl? I don't know. Chill. Do you want me to save you, or do you want me to let you die? I'd pick save you. Alright. Vienna sausages are down. We can't use those anymore. Oh. Got us a nice little bluegill, red breast sunfish. Nice one. It's a pretty big one. So let's get a thumbnail. Alright, we're good. First fish of the day. Let's get another one. I don't know. What should I use? I'm gonna try the sardines. Let's try these. Oh, this is gonna smell super bad. Ew, I hate the smell of these. Chum the water up. Alright, we chummed the water up a little. Let's bust into these. I'm not eating them. How do you open it? I can't get it open. I broke it! Well, let's try to just like... I broke it. I broke the lid thing for the can. Now I can't get them open. That's why you don't buy cheap stuff. And I can't get it open now. Oh, that about cut me. Well, these aren't gonna work. Well, guess we're done with those. That exploded. Let's try Swedish fish. I'm gonna eat one of these. I'm probably gonna eat a bunch of these. I should have bought 2 packs. Because I love Swedish fish, they're my favorite candy. I'm like Roman Atwood, like Swedish fish, give me some. Except he asks for you to stop sending them to him. Alright, let's hit one on the hook. I'm just gonna hook it through its back. And we'll see how it goes. Alright, I'll be with you when I catch something. Making a video. Oh, it's still recording. Crap. Didn't realize that. Swedish fish actually has a nice little action. It's just like, not like that, but you know what I mean. I'm just gonna let it sit there, and I'm gonna go get a can opener. I might got something. Nope. I ran up and left my pole in the water, and there was like a big explosion. So I just grabbed the can opener and sprinted out here as fast as I could. All right. Let's open the corn. Oh, hold on, I'm doing it the wrong way. I think I know how to use one of these. I did it! It ain't the money. It ain't the fame. It's a couple hundred folks like me out there screaming my last name. It ain't the record sales. It's my voice in the whippoorwills. Have you heard that song? Comment down below if you have. Take that, Mom. I do know how to use one of these. Now what do I do with this metal thing? Just like, bye. Let's. Corn is so good. I'm gonna put that little Vienna sausage back on. I want to catch another fish. I'm bored of just standing here. This thing's hard to get on and off. It's super slippery. So it's like you can't get a good grip on it. Just toss that in the water. Grab a little piece of sausage right here. And let's put this on. I don't know if this is gonna catch something again. I assume it will. Hopefully it does. So that way this video is not boring like all my videos. Except the ones that I actually catch stuff. Like I caught something today and that was fun, but I'll get with you when I catch another. Alright guys, I didn't catch anything else. I'm gonna end the video here and I will see you guys next time. Bye.